Hi, welcome to my Syndicate review. What is Syndicate all about? Syndicate is a cloud-based app that creates 100% done-for-you courses, membership style sites using other people's or your own content videos that you can legally monetize for leads, sales, and commissions. This clever app sets you up with multiple profit factories, each consisting of a lead generation page and monetized website. The monetized website is essentially a membership site which is filled with videos from any YouTube channel or playlist. Use this site to sell affiliate products, promote any offer of your choice, and even have your own mini e-com store hookup for added sales. The software finds you awesome video content to put on your site which is monetized with customizable offers and products. So with Syndicate, you build your list and earn commissions at the same time. Syndicate provides you with a powerful two-step done-for-you funnel which adds subscribers to your list and generates daily fast cash. Choose from multiple stunning leads pages to pack your list with targeted subscribers you can promote to long-term. Monetize visitors to your done-for-you sites instantly with irresistible niche offers. Turn stunning content made by others into personal gain. Any YouTube video with an embed code is yours to freely share in your monetized sites, and is one click simple to do. It's the only software that lets you grow your list while generating multiple income streams in any niche using other people's videos and authority. So what does Syndicate cost? The front end early bird is sold at $17, and the first upsell unlimited is $67. And the OTOs 2, there's a second upsell, is done for you, $97. And OTO 3, which is upsell number 3, is unlimited traffic, $97. And OTO fourth upsell is $67. And the fifth upsell is ATM of $197. And sixth upsell is ultimate $197. And upsell number 7, license rights, $67. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. All-in-one list building passive income and traffic solution works in any niche. Done for your lead pages and done for your monetized website optimized for conversion. No expensive designers or copywriters needed. 100% pure profit. Included hosting and traffic means zero overhead costs. No content creation ever. Leverage premium content made by others legally and ethically. Have fun while making money. Customize your cash campaign to entertain, educate, or both. Fully automated. One-time setup for non-stop leads and commissions without any maintenance. 4-figure day training included. No email list or experience needed. And this product comes with no question asked 30 days money back guarantee. So when you purchase this product through my link in the description below at the price of $17, you will get these bonuses that I prepared for you. Bonus number 1, which is valued at $427.95, access the high ticket mastery. And you also get bonus number 2, valued at $46.95. How to WordPress your YouTube video post. And bonus number 3, which is valued at $344.95. Learn how to get better conversions. And bonus number 4, valued at $267. The Fugo breakout. And bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses. Let me bring you to take a look at the vendor bonuses. So these are the vendor bonuses. Bonus number 1, $100 no cost auto boat valued at $1,997. Swipe the exact same method we have used to generate an average of $100 a day every single day for the past 12 months. It is yours absolutely free. Bonus number 2, 15 of our previous apps we have created valued at $997. You will get 15 of our best-selling apps that retail for a combined total of $497, but you get them absolutely free. Again, 100% for free. And bonus number 3, you'll get $0 to $1,000 a day in 3 days with Syndicate. The value of this is priceless. You're invited to the private live online event where you will review how we make $1,000 inside the next few days. We expect a full house, so turn up early. And bonus number 4, first sale in the next 15 minutes. The value of this bonus is priceless. This unique loophole let us make our first sale in 15 minutes without a list, paid traffic, or anything else complicated. It's all revealed to you inside. Is 33 minutes fast enough for you?